For number 3, we use the equation and the corresponding graph for the quadratic function to find the domain and the range. The domain is all of your input values, and those are your x values. And the x-axis goes from left to right. So our domain here, this parabola is going to continue to get wider and wider and wider. So our domain is going to be from negative infinity to positive infinity. The range is the output, or the y values. And your y-axis goes from low to high. So the lowest part of this parabola is going to continue to go down to negative infinity, and then it goes to its highest point. By looking at the graph, we see that the highest y value is 2. And it includes that y value, so we put a bracket next to the 2. So our domain is from negative to positive infinity, and our range goes from the lowest negative infinity to the highest 2. For number 4, we're going to match the equation to the correct graph. Because this equation is in the form of y equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k, we can determine the basic parabola, which has a vertex at the origin, that has been transformed with the different components of this equation. So we have y equals 2 times x plus 2 squared minus 4. The plus 2 on the inside means that your parabola has been shifted to the left 2 units because of that plus 2. And then that minus 4 means that the parabola has been shifted down 4 units. And then the 2 out in front means that it is a more narrow parabola than our basic parabola. So it is still opening up. So the parabola that has a vertex that has been shifted to the left 2, down 4, and it's narrow, opening up, is choice B.